In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use Telegram groups. First, open the Telegram app. At the top of your chat list, you'll see the search bar. Tap it and type a few keywords that match what you are interested in things. Like tech news, movies, or crypto. You can be broad to explore or add specifics to narrow down the results. As you type, Telegram will show suggestions and a section called Global Search. Global Search looks beyond your contacts and shows public groups and channels related to your keywords. This is where most people discover new communities. When the results appear, pay attention to the labels under each listing. Entries that show a number of members are groups, those that show subscribers are channels. That distinction matters. Groups are built for conversation, while channels are designed for one-way broadcasts. If you tap a result, you'll open a preview where you can see the title, description, member or subscriber count, and a bit of recent activity. Take a moment to confirm it matches what you are looking for. Once you find a group you want to join, or if someone has shared an invite link with you, the process is the same. Tap the listing or the link to open it, then press the join button at the bottom of the screen. You'll immediately enter the space. It helps to know the difference between public and private communities. Public groups can be discovered through search and joined directly. Private groups won't appear in global search. To access a private group, you need a specific invite link provided by an admin or a current member. Without that link, the group remains hidden. After you've joined, start by scrolling through the chat history to get context. Telegram keeps a backlog so you can catch up on earlier conversations, files, and media. In a group, you can type messages, reply to others, and share photos, videos, voice notes, or documents. In a channel, posting is limited to the admins, so you'll receive updates but won't be able to send messages. If you don't see a message box at the bottom, that's a sign you are in a channel rather than a group. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.